Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through enabling data breach alerts on the Life360 app. This feature is crucial for monitoring your family's digital safety by notifying you if your personal information is found on the dark web. First, open the Life360 app on your phone. Next, tap on the Safety tab, located at the bottom. This section contains various safety features for your family. Then, tap on Data Breach Alerts. This option allows you to manage notifications related to potential data breaches. After that, click on Continue to proceed to the setup options. Next, click on Turn On to activate data breach alerts. Then, click on Got It. Enabling data breach alerts on Life360 is a proactive step in safeguarding your family's digital information. By staying informed about potential breaches, you can take timely actions to protect your personal data. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more safety tips. Stay safe and informed.